Alrighty, so I'm going to show you how to use the freeform function. So what if one day you're finding yourself here and you want to build yourself either a model of ski moguls or one of the little cartons that you use to put eggs in? How would you do it? We could use the freeform function among maybe potential other things. So what we can do, the freeform function is kind of cool. It's compared from some of the things that I read about it to a digital clay almost. So what I did is it's under surfaces, freeform right here, if you can see my mouse. So what I do is right now what it does is it puts this grid on, but that does not mean it's useful yet. So what I've got to do is I've got to come over here to add curves. So then once I add these curves, what I'm going to go do is I can add them here. So first of all, I do want it to be symmetrical on both sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one right here in the middle. So I'm going to go till this turns orange right there. And then we'll see that since I clicked symmetry, what we'll see is that the lines will appear on both sides when I do this. And then I also want it to be symmetrical in that direction. So add curves, oops, flip direction, sorry. So you click flip direction and then you click this flip direction, add curves, and then remember to keep it symmetrical if you want it to. So you can add some more curves if you'd like. So I'm just going to add the ones that are already here because I feel like they're good. They're pretty good. There we go. So then I'm going to come over here and just click escape. Now what will happen, you'll notice that, so if I click on one of these, see all these dots? What that means, so if I click on that right here, so click on that, down here you'll see these different directions. So if I want this to go up, the Y direction, you'll see that this is highlighted for up. So I can honestly just scroll, and since it's symmetrical, it's going to do that on all of them. Okay, that looks good enough for me. So now I'm going to come right here, and I want that one to go down. So I'm going to take it down. 0.4 seems good enough for me. Then I'm going to come over here. Oh, here, I did not mean for that one to get changed. So if you do it this way, you can also drag, but for me, I found that dragging gets really hard. And then I also like global because it'll just keep it straight up and down. Boom. So then I can just come over to this one, and I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to go up 0.4. Yeah, especially my system's a little bit laggy right now, so it struggles to do things quickly. So I'm going to keep it like that. So that's pretty cool. Then I'm going to come over here to some of my other green lines. There's a green line right there. So we can take that one down. And then I'm going to come back right over here. I'm going to take that one up. 3, 4. And what you'll see is this kind of really ergonomic shape right here. And you can really do a lot of things, right? So this one kind of looks like those little foam pads or like something you could put a carton of eggs into, something like that. But yeah, so you'll see that right here. It creates a super ergonomic, kind of interesting shape that you couldn't do. Maybe you could use it to make gummy bears if you wanted. But yeah, that's how you use Freeform. And this is my first video showing how to use Freeform.